Hey, Gemini. Alright, I already pre-shuffled. I hope y'all had a good week. Um, Let me know what you thought about the, pick your cards. Do you want me to keep doing it? I have figured out how to, fix the camera where you're not staring at my TV. And I know I messed it up, and I apologize. And I will do it better next time, I promise. Okay? Alright. So, what's going on for my Gemini for this weekend? What's going on for Gemini for this weekend? Okay. It looks like you're in a situation where that you're just not gonna fight for it. Or maybe you haven't been fighting for it. And you're dealing with a fire sign, maybe an air sign, a Taurus, a Pisces. Really, I got Aries sign here. Okay, but and it really doesn't matter what sign it is, but there's like some indecision that you're dealing with as well, which is the same thing that the Aries and the Taurus is going on with them too. So let's see, why is this Knight of Swords here? Okay. Alright, y'all have had some heartbreak, and that's why you're not really fighting for it right now. You haven't walked away, but you're just not putting a whole lot into it. You're just there. It's kind of like you're stuck in your own little world, and you've got your walls built up, and right now you can't really see the light of day, or the light at the end of the tunnel. And this person's coming back in to apologize to you And it looks like you're gonna accept their apology. Reluctantly, maybe? Alright, you and this person, y'all kind of balance each other. You could be dealing with a Libra, but y'all keep each other balanced, and they are your strength. Also, could be dealing with a Leo, but they are your Two of Cups. You know, y'all are definitely dealing with a Leo. Most of you are probably dealing with a Leo. Your overall outcome is, I think you're gonna fight for it eventually, once you start talking to each other about everything. And you're not gonna end up, you're not gonna leave. Don't leave. I wouldn't leave. This can be repaired, which is a good thing. There's a whole lot more I'd like to say about the other signs. Yeah, this can be repaired. So if this resonated with you, like, share, subscribe, and if you want to talk about us more, hit me up in my email. That information's below. If you'd like to donate to the channel, all proceeds will go for the channel, and that you can find that information above, in the about section. My PayPal stuff's down there, or up there rather. I got a special going on right now, $15 for 3 questions. That information will be below as well. So that's like $5 a question. I'm not gonna put a time limit on that yet, but I will see you guys back on Monday for your weekly.